Okay, we're gonna have a test, which I obviously already failed. We're gonna have a test, and I'm breaking my rules really bad right now. Is that a bird? No, it's not. It's the thing that keeps the birds off. No, but that's not what I've seen. There's no way. This is like Austria. They hatched. They're gone. God, tonight could have not been so... Wow, man. Talk about powerful. Holy shit. Jesus Christ. Or, I shouldn't say all that crap, but... Wow, so like the ospreys, like I've seen them hatch. I have videos. I don't know if I've uploaded them. Maybe I have, maybe I haven't. But they're gone now. The hatchlings are gone. There's lightning on the beach tonight. And I stood in the water barefoot with a can. Like, oh, same thing like when Lee left me. I would take a metal chair with an umbrella and a can of beer, craft, mind you, and sit on the beach. Sometimes I stand in the sand. Like, well, obviously I'm sitting in the sand. It's a beach. Or the water, you know what I mean? And, like the night he left, and I climbed the wall and I fell. But the funny thing is, I'm okay. So I guess it's like the whole point of this stupid fucking message. Is that, like, even though you go through a really hard time, just know hang on and you root your support through your awesome fucking friends. You're gonna get through it. For sure. I got you. Signing off.